Hello guys, welcome to Vaishnavi's channel.
Today we are moving out of our hostel of our college. Yeah, the room is a mess.
It's an entire mess.
This is a carton.
And that's a dustbin.
That's dustbin. What should I do with the dustbin? Should I eat it?
Entire mess.
Oh no! Don't take this.
So at this point, we had packed all our things into carton boxes to move out.
Is this your special? Is this your special tying technique?
Yes.
Just?
Just special type.
No wonder it's working really well.
Yeah.
Do you need any help, by the by?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna help you. Wait. ഇത് പുതിയൊരു ന്യൂ ഓർണമെന്റ് ശിവാനിന്റെ കൈ ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി നൈസ്.
Would you like to do an interview on how you feel about moving out? No, I don't want.
Hi guys, welcome to our field. Today, what are we doing here? We are harvesting groundnuts. Perks of being an agriculture student.
This was our last working day to work on the field as agriculture students, so we were enjoying it to the max.
Wow! Look at all this. This is groundnut. This is how much Pooja has harvested till now. Oh, these are groundnuts. So these are freshly grown, freshly harvested, organic.
Sorry, inorganic.
You can just expose.
Guys, it's almost 10 o'clock and this is Vaishnavi and this is Pooja here. Signing off from VIT Voyal.
Hello you all. So this weird angle is because the lighting is good only when I'm like this, because I'm literally under my bunker bed. As you can see, the roof kind of blocks light. That's why I'm here. Ignore, as usual, the mess behind. So I have one last exam to go, and my final review for the project that I'm doing, and I'm finally done with fourth year entirely. I'm gonna graduate after that. So yeah, for now I'm studying and I'm super cozy in my bed. I do not suggest studying in bed unless you have great controlling power not to fall asleep. Anyways, let me stop yapping. Am I stressed out? Not really. Right, I am stressed out, guys. Yeah, because this is like 2 hours later after the last clip. And did I make progress? I did make progress, but not as much as I thought I would. But my lips are so chapped right now. For anyone else who's taking the exam, all the best. I'm not sure when exactly you're going to see this vlog, because like I said, I always have so much content in my gallery left to post. So yeah, hopefully if you have an exam, all the best for that, and let me study for the rest. I don't know why I'm like singing. I'm kind of happy because it's getting over. Everything, not the college part, because I'm gonna miss college. Oh my god. Leave that to another time. Let's focus on the studies right now. So quick update, after like maybe 5 months, that I got a second piercing. It's not a big deal, but since you guys are seeing me after a long time, I got this half a year back. Half a year back, 6 months back. But anyways, this is my second stud piercing. All right, I need to really focus on studies right now. Oh my god, the time is freaking 8:15. Oh my god. Okay. So finally, the last day has arrived, which is the last day to vacate hostel, to say goodbye to college life forever. And the reality is starting to hit me, and I'm like, oh my god. All my friends have left a little early. because people are leaving at different times. I have one more friend with me here in the group right now, as you can see. She's gone for her exams. So both of us will take our final exam today, and we'll be vacating. We'll be leaving by today's train. Goodbye to college life forever. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this a lot. Like a lot. I would do anything to go back and live college life all over again. Because the memories, the lessons I learned, everything is just so close to my heart. So yeah, I need to study. I need to revise for my exams now, and I need to go for it. Take it, and we'll be only leaving by evening, about like 5. Yeah, so let's see. This is the OOTD of the day. Wait, let me show you guys. I'm wearing an oversized t-shirt, a normal jogger pants. Guys, you guys will be seeing a lot of more vlogs related to college in the upcoming week or so, because there is a lot of unreleased footage, like I tell all the time, a lot of memories. So I thought of making these college memory series. So this will be the final vlog of vacating, but then you'll get to see more of the college life vlogs, like a little flashback thing. Okay, bye.
Don't keep my love on the low. Keep my love on the low.